our baby.
Yep.
And
Dopey.
Dopey.
Found him once at the movie theater.
Yeah. He's our child, and he's gonna take his first steps.
I think he's ready.
I think he's ready.
Okay, have him walk to me.
Ready? One. This is a very intense moment. I think we need to rename him. No, nada. Ooh, sure, the baby we just gave birth to last night.
Oh yeah. New child? Hip.
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 Hip. What's his middle name? Her name? Middle?
Hip skip.
No, Hip.
Hip.
Hold on 1 minute.
Hip wad.
Hip Wad.
Hip wad's the name.
Oh, Wade.
Hip wad Ubergate.
Wade. Wade.
Hip Wade Ubergate. Okay. First steps. I think we're ready.
Ready? 1, 2. Are you gonna watch your Big Brother?
No, he's the baby.
I know. Are you gonna watch your Big Brother? The baby. Gonna watch your Big Brother? Is that a baby or
Baby.
girl? Boy? What
Girl.
is it?
I don't think
Don't
maybe
even
girl.
know.
Maybe a mix. It's purple.
Mix. It's like half long and half short, I guess. This isn't right. This is not right.
Okay,
not
first
right.
steps.
Bad. Shame on us. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
He's a frog.